Welcome to my channel, and thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and for those who have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video we will be looking at the cross-comb problem that I had. You remember last time when I moved a swarm that had moved into a box that did not have frames. I had to do a cutout as I was moving it into another hive. And the way I had done it, it actually caused some problems because the bees then started to build wonky comb that was facing in all directions. And in the last video, that is what I was trying to correct. So for this video to actually make any sense to you, I think it will be helpful to watch that video that I entitled Beekeeping Mistakes, Fixing the Mess that I had created. I think it will really be helpful if you watch that one, or you start off by watching that one before you watch this one. So today I will be inspecting. I haven't opened this hive in over 4 weeks. Yes, I haven't opened it, and the reason being that it is really winter this time here, and opening a hive, because it's cold, the temperatures are cold, it's not really a good idea to just open like all the time. So I try and only open if I need to check inside, but otherwise I try and leave my bees alone in winter so as not to disturb them as well. So today, yeah, we will see what happened in there. And last time, some people commented that why do I use foundationless frames? The reason why I use foundationless frames, it's because it's cheaper for me. I am a hobby beekeeper, so it's less cost for me. And also, I am trying to do beekeeping as natural as it can be. I am not really trying to maximize my honey harvest as such. I will take whatever the bees give me. So if it's, I know that some people will say at the end it will actually be more expensive because you're getting less honey. But yeah, I actually don't have the money to actually go and buy the foundation. I think for now this is what I will do. And also the other comment that I got last time was that it then becomes difficult to extract the honey from foundationless frames. I don't think that's true, because I've actually harvested. I have a manual extractor and I've harvested before, and I didn't have any issues with the frames that I use. The extraction process actually went very well, and I managed to even reuse those frames that I had extracted from, and they were quite strong. The comb did not fall off as some people were saying. I think sometimes people just do things the way they are done and then expect that the other way may not work. But sometimes you need to try it out to actually see if it will work. Because I know that foundationless frames, you can put them in the extractor. You can extract from them without any problem. So that was the first frame there. I was actually curious to see if my intervention had worked. And look at that. So it was easy to take out. So that's one sign that the comb now is straight. It's not wonky. And it is straight. So they've also even built. So bees can build a straight comb as long as you give them a starter strip of wax at the top, which is what my frames have. Then they will build straight comb. And so that first one is okay. Yay! I'm excited. Let's see what the second one is going to be like. And yeah, my bees today were not really happy to be disturbed. Okay, that second one was also easy to take out. And let's take a look at that. Wow, it is straight, very straight. And it seems that this queen is actually very busy. Can you see the amount of brood on that frame? And that is brood on the second, that's the second frame from the edge. So she's there, they're using all the, seems like they are using all the 9 frames for brood. Okay, so 2 down, they are okay. Let's see the third one, how it's like. I'm just shaking the bees there. It's another success. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. I'm happy so far. So 3 frames. This brood box has 9 frames. So let's see what the other 6 are like. So far, so good. And if you haven't really watched the previous video, I think it will really make sense to go and watch that one. Because for those who have watched, you'll remember how difficult it was to even remove the frames from the hive. So that's frame number 4. Wow, another success. Another success. Oh, I'm so excited. I am really. I am. I'm actually glad I took my time to actually do that, because it took me a while to try and straighten that comb. It did. Okay, the next frame. Another successful intervention. Oh, wow. I think this is giving me hope on my road to becoming a very successful beekeeper. Another successful intervention. Straight comb that I'm seeing there, all joined up together perfectly. Oh, thank you, my ladies. Thank you, my bees. You did a wonderful job there. I was trying to see if there were any eggs in there. Yeah, but this queen is very good. She's doing a very good job. I'm just trying to move some bees there before I put the frame so that I do not squash them. Just trying to be gentle. I think my being a slow person comes in handy when I'm inspecting my hives. I take my time, and I think as a result I don't kill as many bees as I would if I were rushing. I think the second from the last frame was a bit difficult to take out. I think there was some comb that was still wonky, seemed like joined to the other one. And there it is, yeah. So this one, I think it needs some help. I'm trying to straighten it there, and I'm hoping that that doesn't kill the brood. Okay, so I pushed it in, just gave it a slight push to push it in, and we will see next time if they would have managed to join those two pieces of comb together. I put it aside there just to try and move some bees from there before I put the frame back. Just puffing them with some smoke so that they can move away. And that went in. There were so many bees in that corner, making it difficult to try and take out that frame, because I needed to be very careful that I don't squash them. Okay, this one also needed. I think it looks like they are building two pieces of comb there. Okay, so what I'm trying to do there is to remove the other piece so that they will only have one, they build in one direction, not in both directions. I think I've learned a lot from this swarm. Yeah, so I took out the other part, and then I'm straightening it there. I was saying what I've learned from this exercise is that when you're doing a cutout, I think it's better to use as minimum as the existing comb, especially if they build on a roof or something. It's much better to just take minimum comb as you can. I don't think I needed to take all of the comb, or alternatively to have two brood boxes, so that was a comment that I got as well, and then I can put it at the top so that the bees can hatch out, and then that comb can then be removed and thrown away. I thought that, yeah, that was a very good suggestion. I think next time that's what I will definitely do. But yeah, this whole exercise has taught me a lot, really. I have learned, and I now know that next time I will know how to handle that. Hopefully all these mistakes that I did, they will not be repeated, because I've learned the hard way. Oh, so there's still one more. Oh yeah, there's still one more frame in there. Okay, so this is the final frame. Oh, they've started now to build the wonky comb. So I just need to remove that, take it out, and then hopefully they will build straight next time. But all in all, I'm really happy. I'm really happy because out of all these yeah, I'm really happy. It looks like my intervention worked, and I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. And hopefully next time when I inspect, there won't be any wonky comb anymore. Oh. And I must also apologize for the visuals. This video, the way I had positioned my phone while recording, yeah, it's just that the sun, there wasn't really a perfect place to put to record this from. There wasn't a perfect angle to record this from, because this hive is not on the ground, it's like on some stand. So yeah, it wasn't easy to position the camera in such a way that it's not facing the sun. I apologize for those not so great visuals. And yeah, I think all in all, it actually went very well. I am glad that the intervention helped. So thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much for your comments, especially those comments that come up with suggestions. I really appreciate those. Thank you so much for watching.